All right, good morning. I'm going to show you how to use the SDCTF bot, the CTF bot. It's not too bad, but these are basically the steps you're going to want to go through in order to join the CTF, solve challenges, and form a team. I'll show you all three of those. So as you can see here, I'm in the main server. I'm also in a bunch of testing servers. Don't worry about those. And this is last year's server. Also, if there's some background noise, I'm going to try to cancel it out, but yeah, they're compacting trash outside right now, as is appropriate for 7 in the morning at a college campus. Anyways, so we go to terms of service. This is always going to be the first thing you do. You need to first understand and agree these rules. Read them, please. You don't have to read Discord's. I mean, you should read Discord's terms, but like, you know, if you want to get that done today, maybe skim those. So once you agree, it'll say you've been added to a new team server, and you'll notice that this server has become available to me in the top left as well. If I click this, it'll just take me to that. And from here, it says you've been invited to join a server. For some people, this will say invalid link, and it won't show the join button. If you still click this link, it'll work fine. That's just a Discord graphical issue, so ignore that. You click on the link, and it puts you in a server that has been assigned to you. Your friends will probably be assigned to a different server, and that is fine. You'll all come together at the end. So I'm Master Hacker, and this is my team channel. I've been given instructions on how to do pretty much everything, so please read these carefully. This video is here for you as a supplemental resource. And we'll start with solving challenges. So you'll see we have one challenge available to us right now. It's called Sanity Check. It's in the MISC category. If I click on it, I can see the challenge, and this challenge just basically gives me the flag. I can copy this flag, and I can just hit submit, and it'll bring a little pop-up. I paste in the flag, I hit submit, and it says flag captured. That's really all you got to do. If I go back to my team channel, you'll see that this is now giving me credit for that, and it gives me a little spiel for it. So that's capturing flags. Now let's talk about how to invite people. So the first set of instructions here are make sure they have joined the main server and accepted the terms of service. Then right-click on their in the main server and select Apps Invite to your team. So what we mean by the main server is that you can click on this, and you can go to like just anywhere really. Let's see here. I'm looking for myself. Yes, here's myself. You can right-click on the admin, or your friends in this case. You can also right-click on them over here, but I've actually heard from some people that that wasn't working properly, which it's supposed to. That's just another Discord glitch. And so for people that are experiencing that, you can have your friends post in like team search or whatever, and then you can kind of right-click on them in chat like this, and then you should have the option to invite them to your team. Now, if I just click this, it'll send the invite off and we're done. But I'm actually going to go ahead and show the fallback. You know, if you don't want to wait for your friend to message in team search, or to find them on the right sidebar, or if for any reason the former process is not working for you, you can still do /invite on a user, and you just pick one. And for example, I can select myself. If you start typing a user, it will suggest users that match, so you can find people pretty easily this way. Then once I hit enter, it will probably say sent an invite, and then your friend will have to accept that invitation. So let me go ahead and accept that on my phone. There we go. And so now we can see here, if I go back over here, some loser named Knox has accepted my invitation, and now they are, well, I mean, actually they were always in this server, but now if they were to, they've been kicked out of their team server and team channel and have been re-invited to mine. So now we should all see this channel called Master Hacker. Since it's a channel of not just me, now perhaps I should probably rename the channel to our team name, which I can do via the set name command. So, you know, we can be whatever team name we want to be. And then we should be good to go. So then from there we can just work together capturing flags, and we'll have one pool of basically information, one pool of flags that we have collected together as a team, and one ranking on the leaderboard. You can see the leaderboard once the competition starts, but you can actually see it now by doing /standing at any time during the competition, and this will just fetch the latest copy of the leaderboard as well as a list of the challenges that have been completed. So this will be red if it's not completed and green if it is. Okay, that pretty much covers everything. So again, if you ever run into trouble, just harass this guy up here, this Knox fella. That'll be a good person to bother. And with that said, I hope that helped.